and the summer's coming, the days are getting long.